Oh, I bought it from the shop.
Shop center?
Yes. Well, be quick.
Where's it gone?
Where it's gone? Where did you put it?
Put it in there.
Oh, make sure you eat dinner, okay?
I like dinner, Mom.
What is it?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Where did you get that from?
And Tito Jamie.
Tito Jamie gave you that? Well, then it's really good driving too, honey.
Like you.
Yeah, like all of you guys like me now. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday everyone. Nandito ako ngayon sa sasakyan sa labas ng childcare ng ating baby girl. Ayun, nakatawa na siya guys. Si Daddy Mike pala yung lumabas. Hi! Woo! Woo! What happened? Hello! My beautiful girl.
Mom, I like it. That's why you bought soap from.
What is that, Anna?
That's why it's just from.
Oh, I bought it from the shop.
Shop center?
Yes. Do you like it?
So that's flower like that.
It's flower like Daddy's.
Yes, there's new one for that.
Oh, shush. Give mommy a kiss. Say, hi guys.
Found my hat.
You got your hat.
This
You
my
found it.
hat
Where did you find it?
from here and there outside.
Oh, okay. Give mommy a kiss. Did you have a good day?
I'm playing the sandpit on the big tank.
Oh, did you play in the sandpit? Show me your Peppa Pig bag. Wow, so beautiful. Let's go.
We're going to the shop.
Why do the bandage?
No.
We're going to the shop. Come on, you go sit down now.
Have a little bandage
You've got lots of bandages. Come here.
I think we still have bandages at home, honey.
Yeah, we do.
You have the Paw Patrol one.
Spider-Man.
You want the Superman?
Spider-Man, mommy.
Oh, the Spider-Man. Show me, B, the Spider-Man.
And put your finger like that.
How?
No.
Show me, B. Ayush!
It can do it.
Is Spider-Man your hero?
This one go.
Who is your hero, na?
I'm going to find my costume with the newest costume with the
Costume.
Spider-Man.
Oh, your costume?
It's my Spider-Man costume with the
Oh, you want Spider-Man costume?
There's a the bunny shopping center.
How about Elsa costume?
Not Elsa. Just.
But let it go, let it go, let it go.
Yes, but have that one boy. It is custom. The puppet trauma. The puppet trauma.
Oh, Paw Patrol. Okay. So we're gonna go now?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Shopping.
Shopping.
Oh yeah.
Mommy.
Your face is so funny, guys. Hi guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Kakauwi lang namin from the grocery shops. Ang ating baby girl ay gamanya-manya.
Where's the gold?
We'll have dinner first before you can have the jelly, okay? Well, be quick.
Where's the gold?
Where it's gone? Where did you put it?
Put it in there.
Oh, make sure you eat dinner, okay?
I like dinner, Mom.
Baka ako gidon. You gotta eat, sweetheart. So you grow bigger and taller. Okay?
I don't like it. I want jelly.
Go find the jelly. It's in the hallway.
Where?
The table.
Table?
Yes. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung mga napamili namin from the shops, guys. Ito yung gustong-gusto ni Tars, guys. Ayan. So, binili ko to siya from the Asian shop. And gusto na niyang kainin. Tars, ko. Stop soaking, ha? Come here, I'll give you some. Make sure you eat dinner, okay?
Alright.
Promise?
Yes.
Say, I promise, Mommy.
I promise, Mom.
Say, I promise, Mommy.
Okay, Mommy.
Ay, bitaw, ha? So, sa first bag na dala natin, guys, we've got this. Cocktail Franks. Ayan. And then, we've got some of these. Lemon, lime, and bitters. Daddy will put away. Pistachio nuts. Paris is enjoying pistachio nuts at the moment, actually. I've got some almonds. Meron tayong zucchini. Kasi sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, we'll make zucchini, fritter para kay Paris na patry sa kanya. And then, 1 mango. Banana. What else? We've got some shredded roast chicken. Ham. Ayan, that's for Paris as well. Tapos, meron tayong chicken schnitzel. And pork sausages. Minced beef. Ayan, bumili kami nito kasi meron akong Filipino spaghetti sauce dyan. Tapos, gusto kong lutuin ba? So, we've got breast fillet and some avocados. That's the one. And then, meron tayong oranges. Ano tawag dito? Cheese. Spaghetti. Pita bread. This one is cheese and bacon rolls, pang snacks. This one is nougat, cranberry, and nuts. Dinner rolls. I love this one. Resealable bags. Dalawa. Some yogurts for Paris, vanilla and strawberry. And then muesli bars. This is also muesli bar. Oh yeah, I don't know what this is. Flavored snacks. And then tissue. Yan. So that's inside the second bag. And then, while I was there, guys, naka-half price sila sa rice. So, instead of $16, $8 na lang. So, bumili ako ng isang 5 kilo. And then, Daddy bought some, parang bottled water. And then, nag-stop ako sa guys. Nag-stop ako sa isang Asian grocery. Bumili ako nito. Ito pala from Coles. Mango green iced tea. Bumili ako sa guys, sa Asian grocery ng Milo kasi yung Milo kasi nila dito guys, it tastes different from the one in the Philippines, and I noticed na yung Milo from the Asian shop, yun yung malasa, the same sa lasa sa Pilipinas. Anak?
More.
What is it?
More.
More? Come here, babe. Come here. Come here, let's talk. What did you say?
More.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, how about dinner? We're gonna eat dinner, okay? You promised me.
Yeah.
Okay?
I want this one to try.
Try. Tomorrow we'll put more. We'll have dinner. Okay, we'll put some more. Ayan, guys. Kung gusto ko talaga, gustong-gusto rin ni Paris kasi parehas kami ng type sa pagkain. Very Asian. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. So, from the Asian shop, bumili ako nito. It's the Mama Shrimp Tom Yum Flavor Soup. noodles. Ayan. And then, ewan ko kung anong nakain ko, guys. Nung nakita ko to, I felt like I'm gonna have it. Ito sabi, guys, hot chicken flavor ramen. Ayan. So, nakikita ko to sa mga, guys, yung may mga video sila na ginagawa, yung mga, spicy chili na mga noodles. And, I don't know, I just feel like having some spicy food at the moment. And then, ito, dalawa yung binili ko. Ito yung nataliko ko ni Paris. And, one more. The last one here is ito yung coconut juice. Na may laman siya na guys. Coconut sa loob din. Vietnamese yata ito na drink. Yeah, from Vietnam. But frozen yan siya. Ito yung nabibili nyo sa pag pupunta kayo ng Vietnamese restaurant. Ito yung binibili nyo doon. Oh, I can't wait. So, ngayon guys, ay magpo-prepare lang tayo ng dinner ni Paris. And then, may ham tayo tapos cheese. Ayan. So, yan yung ibibigay natin sa kanya. Ayun lang yung mga nabili namin from the grocery shop, guys. Although, pag dumating na si baby number 2, mas marami pa dyan yung ating bibilhin. May mga extra pa. Oh my God. 2 kids. May nagtanong pala guys kung anong gusto daw namin ni Daddy Mike na baby. If we want a baby girl or a baby boy. So, let's ask Daddy Mike what he wants. Daddy Mike?
Yeah.
Can you come here for a second?
1 second.
I like Paw Patrol. Mommy, let's go.
Yeah, we will watch Paw Patrol after while eating dinner, okay?
Okay.
Mama's making dinner. Oh,
Oh,
yummy.
Hey,
Oh, come here, sweetie. Come here.
I don't like it.
Okay. Would you like baby brother or sister?
What?
Brother?
Which one? Brother or sister?
So which one do you prefer, Daddy? A girl or a boy? Come here, they can see you.
Girl.
Girl?
Do you want a girl?
Paris wants a girl.
Okay, well then I want a girl too.
Daddy Mike wants a girl, guys. Sabi niya, he can already foresee himself carrying 2 girls. But for me, guys, like, there's no preference. Yes,
I want the toast.
yeah, okay. Mommy will take it, okay? There's no preference for me, like, even before pregnancy ko with Paris, I don't mind if it's a girl or a boy. Like, for me, the most important thing is the baby is healthy. I think yan talaga yung mas importante, di ba? So, yes, honey, girl. Yeah, but yeah, for Daddy Mike, it's a girl. But for me, I don't mind. You want a girl or a boy? It's very interesting, guys, no? Kasi, for sure, marami sa inyong nagsabi na si Daddy Mike, for sure, gusto niya ng lalaki. Kasi, of course, you know, he's a man and he wants, you know, a boy can actually carry his name. You know, Mackenzie.
A girl can carry my name too.
No, but Paris is gonna marry Bob one day.
Well,
She's going
if I have another daughter, then I'll let you know.
You can't do that. Yeah. So, we'll see how it goes, guys. We're going to find out, I think, sometime next week. We're going to do our gender reveal. Because the result will come back from the NIP test. So, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Although, kami ni Daddy Mike, guys, ang tawag dito, nakapanaginip kami. Napanaginipan ko na yung anak ko babae. Yung kay Daddy Mike naman, napanaginipan niya yung anak namin lalaki. So, we'll see. I know, like, you know, it's just a dream. So, anak ko, give me that one. Yeah. Red chair? Okay. The red chair. So, mag-ready kami na ngayon ng dinner, guys. Kasi, mataas pa yung araw even though it's late na. Gusto kasi ni Daddy Mike na every afternoon maglalakad kami kasi exercise for mommy. And also, parang ano din, parang bonding ng family pag naglalakad kami every afternoon.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Well done, honey. Very good eating. Yum, yum. What are you having now? What are you having now? Did you just fart? Did you just utot?
Yeah.
Oh no, Paris, utot. What have you got in your hand?
Nice.
Ah!
Daddy,
What are you eating?
I like you.
Do you like it?
Yes, you what?
And nilutuan din ako ni Daddy Mike ng noodles, guys. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung spicy. Oh, it smells spicy too. Ayan. I don't know, guys, but at the moment gusto ko lang ng spicy. Chili, maanghang. Para siyang pansit canton lang. Ayan. Dry noodle ba? Try natin, guys. Oh, maanghang siya, guys. Oh!
Mom,
Mmm.
I made the lemon.
What is it, na?
The lemon.
Oh, it's chili na. Spicy.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
lemon.
You want the lemon?
Lemon.
You eat first, like the ham. Pero nasasarapan ako sa spicy, guys, kasi parang may thrilling, may excitement, hindi blunt, hindi plain yung kinakain mo. Mmm. Mmm. Sarap siya. Pero yung noodles parang hard pa, guys. Napaaga yata yung kuha ni Daddy Mike sa tubig. Mmm. You help Daddy. Come on, sweetie. Come on now.
Tanya Khan. Tanya Khan.
Guys, it's now, anong oras na, baby? It's 8:10 ng gabi, ayan. Oh. And, hindi pa siya madilim, guys. We're just gonna take Paris for a quick spin around. Kasi we promised her. Yeah, okay. I hope it's charged. I hope it still has battery.
No, well, this is fine.
Okay. Wow! Tingnan niyo yung mukha niya.
Come on.
Okay, let's go. So then, pag uwi namin, guys, then we'll be, relax for a bit and then bedtime. Wow! It's been a while din na. Hindi din drive ni Paris yung kanyang, sasakyan. She's been using her bicycle.
This way.
This way, anak. That way. Huh? Okay. Wow! Wow! Careful, huh?
This way.
Look to the left, look to the right. Wow! That's very nice.
Come on. We need to get to the park before it gets dark.
Okay, look where you're going.
This way.
This way. Oh, pangas. She knows, Bob. She knows. She knows. Honey,
You need to go this
honey,
way.
why did you turn it off? Hala, ngit-ngit na on, tingog ng bakbak.
Come on.
Okay,
Bit
go
of
back.
reverse parallel. Come on.
That will do. Keep going. Good job. Oh, look where you're going. You're a very good driver, Paris. That's Lulu. Nakita siya ng airplane, guys. Hindi man kita.
There's a Lulu inside there.
Oh, it's Lulu inside the airplane.
No, he's not. It's just an airport.
Oh, hon.
Go show Mummy the slide. Come on. 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step. Ah!
Bruce coming. That Bruce.
Okay. Gotta go across the bridge.
Oh, just like a
Hold on.
like that.
Don't slide down. You gotta walk down. Walk. Come on. Up, up.
But you're the Bruce.
Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Go.
Careful, hold on, anak.
Go. Go.
Hi guys, nakapasok na kami sa bahay. It's now 8:40 ng gabi. And come here, anak B. What are you having? Show tita what you're having.
It's in my phone.
What is it?
It's my
Marshmallow. Where did you get that from?
And this is Jamie.
Tito Jamie gave you that? Well, it's really good driving too, honey.
Like you.
Yeah, like oh, di ba guys, like me though? Like mommy. A very good driver, yes?
I really like that little fast
Fast?
and light.
Yeah. And the light, turn the light. That's so good, Paris. High five then, mommy. High five, Diane, quick.
No.
Oh, alam nyo guys, yung ano pala kanina, yung noodles. Sobrang sarap niya guys, pero sobrang anghang. Like, believe it or not. Yung anak ko nagsasalita. What is it, anak?
Hi, is it Jamie?
Hello? Alam nyo guys, sa sobrang anghang niya, napaluha talaga ako guys. Sobrang anghang talaga. Anyways guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi we'll get Paris ready for bed. Childcare na naman bukas. And yeah, we'll just do a quick shout out now. And the first shout out goes to Mami Rose Sabalie, Sally Saminiano, Ivy Pakleb, Christine Namayan, Carlvin Burinaga, Crispina Palma, Angelica Asuncion, Madeleine Dimanlig, Jane Fabilio, Loleta Fabiliar, Emmy Garcia, Jonah Reese, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Wendy Christie Hamorabo, Alina Risoles, Digna Villavicencio, Joanne Ambe, Roblin Risteski, Belen Herterich, Feli Lamparo, Ruby De La Rosa, Paulina Kines, Rosemary Verzon, Hannah Zarmines, Sharon Ando, Beatriz Agsho, Della Reyes, and Mechi Manalo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, look. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, bye guys. Mwah.